Hello, my name is Robert Ong, O-N-G. My name in Chinese is Wu DB, and I've been doing eChinese learning for a little over a year now. And I have a teacher named Linda, but I've had a couple of other teachers that have helped me as well. I wanted to leave this video testimonial because, and I offered to do this. I was not asked to do this. I wanted to do it because I really feel strongly about being able to help anyone in the community of Chinese learning to learn better and to learn more efficiently. I have done classes. I have friends that are Chinese, of course, that I have had the opportunity to speak to. However, I really needed a dedicated teacher. And I found that eChinese Learning offered me that. I do 3 classes a week. Each class is 50 minutes long, and it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We are on a 12-hour differential between China, my teacher in China, and where we are. We are on the East Coast of the United States. And I will say that it has been a transformational class and opportunity to learn in a way that I never could have done before. Even my friends that I started learning from or learning with or having conversations with. And they have seen the progress in my ability to conduct meaningful and extended conversations with them in Chinese. Okay. And we're talking about Mandarin, of course. So I'm just ecstatic about my ability to converse, my ability to learn, my ability to continue to learn. And I'm not to say that I am fluent by any means or any stretch of the imagination. However, I am getting more fluent every day. I can pretty much speak without speaking English if I have to. I also am more and more comfortable with being able to speak with people that I've never spoken with before. And I'm also find myself more engaging with Chinese people that I just go up to them and I can start speaking to them in Chinese. So that has been ecstatic for me. It brings me closer to my culture. I'm fourth generation Chinese American. So you can tell my English is not bad. It's actually pretty good. I was born here in the States, so only joking. Shao. I can't really say enough. I highly, highly recommend using eChinese Learning for anyone who wants to learn at any level. If you're going to be using it for business and you need to be more comprehensive in the way that you communicate, listening skills, reading and writing. Now, I do not do the reading and writing because I don't have that kind of time and dedication to writing Chinese characters or learning to read them. However, I am slowly picking up characters in recognition. So I'm learning more and more just by doing it and being exposed to my curriculum with eChinese Learning. However, we use Pinyin most of the time, and that's fine because I can use it for pronunciation and move my vocabulary and my sentence structure along at a much quicker pace. For me and what my needs are, that works just fine. For others who are looking to be able to read and write comprehensively, and perhaps people are planning to use it in a curriculum or go and study in China, perhaps, and have opportunities to utilize their Chinese at a professional level, whether it be business or education, then of course, I would say that you probably need to learn to read and write and focus more on the HSK levels. So those are kind of the levels of learning in Chinese that can take you along to a higher and higher level. Having said that, I do use the HSK exams and go through the reviews just to see how I'm doing with my vocabulary and my ability to tie together sentence structures and whatnot. So I'm just really happy. I'm really happy. I can't tell you enough about my situation and my ability to learn and how it makes me feel every single day and I practice every single day. I talk to myself every single day. Whatever I'm doing, I am always speaking to myself in Mandarin Chinese. And whenever I have an opportunity to speak to a native speaker, I do. And I pick up the phone, I call my friends, I go and see people in the market, I go to a restaurant, I go out of my way to go to a restaurant where I know that they speak Mandarin or they only speak Chinese. So um, my whole life has changed in terms of that. And I don't live in an environment where there's Chinese people everywhere, but it doesn't matter to me. I am learning Chinese and I feel very comfortable with the level that I'm attaining and continue to attain as I have progressed through eChinese learning. So having said that, thank you for listening. I just wanted to send this and share this with the folks out there that are interested in learning, and I mean really learning Chinese, because this thing works. Okay, 谢谢你，拜拜。